Hard work is essential to succeed in life. Many people are not successful in their lives just because they keep thinking. They never work hard outside their comfort zone. But it is also true that only those people succeed in their lives who break the walls of their comfort zone and work harder. So in today's video, I will tell you 12 points that if you focus on, you will be able to maximize your productivity. 1. Stop waiting to feel ready. Readiness is an illusion. Too many people never start the hard things because they're waiting for the perfect moment, when they feel motivated, confident, or inspired, but that moment almost never comes. Waiting for it keeps you stuck. The truth is, hard things only get easier after you begin, not before. Action is what brings clarity, not the other way around. When you shift from relying on how you feel to relying on discipline, everything changes. You realize you don't need permission from your emotions, you just need to move. The first step is always uncomfortable, but it's also the doorway to every goal you've been dreaming of. 2. Remind yourself every day why it matters. Tasks feel unbearable when you lose sight of their purpose. Your why is the fuel that keeps you going when motivation fades. Take a moment to write down your reasons, whether it's better health, financial freedom, self-discipline, or simply becoming someone you respect. Look at them every morning. When your purpose is visible, discomfort stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like progress. That shift in perspective turns "I have to do this" into "I'm doing this for my future." Your reason becomes your anchor, and suddenly the hard things feel meaningful instead of overwhelming. 3. Own your mornings, own your day. The morning is the quietest part of the day, the moment when distractions are low and focus is high. Waking up early gives you a psychological edge because you start your day with control instead of chaos. Use that first hour for something demanding: exercise, reading, planning, or deep work. Finishing a hard task first thing builds momentum and sets the tone for the entire day. It trains your brain to trust your discipline. When you start with a win, every other decision feels easier. A strong morning creates a strong day. 4. Tackle what you're avoiding first. Every day, there's one task you're tempted to put off. The uncomfortable one, the boring one, the one that takes real effort. Do that task first. This approach, often called eating the frog, strengthens your mental toughness fast. When you handle the hardest thing early, the rest of your day feels lighter, easier, and more under control. You prove to yourself that you can face challenges head-on, and that confidence compounds over time. Starting with avoidance breeds weakness. Starting with courage builds unstoppable momentum. Your brain learns that discomfort isn't something to run from, it's something to master. 5. Avoid multitasking, it weakens discipline. It might feel like juggling multiple tasks makes you more productive, but the truth is your brain can only give its full effort to one thing at a time. Constantly switching between tasks fragments your focus, drains your energy, and quietly erodes your discipline. When you commit to completing a single task before moving on, you train your mind to concentrate deeply, the very heart of tackling hard challenges. Single tasking teaches patience, presence, and persistence. It strengthens your ability to stay with something even when it's boring or tough. And as your focus sharpens, the hard things in life suddenly feel a little more manageable. 6. Practice saying no to instant pleasure. Every time you resist a moment of quick gratification, whether it's scrolling through your phone, snacking on junk food, or taking unnecessary breaks, you're exercising self-control. Saying no might seem small, but it builds a powerful foundation for discipline. Each refusal trains your brain to understand that you, not your impulses, are in charge. Start with one no each day. Over time, these small victories compound, giving you the strength to consistently choose long-term growth over short-term comfort. When you master this, difficult tasks stop feeling impossible. You become someone who pushes through resistance and acts with intention. So if you follow these points, you can start working hard and become successful in your life. Remember, hard work is just a method. You can do anything. You just have to be willing to put in the effort.